Unlocking the beat. The role of the floor tom in music. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of music with a phrase that might sound simple but is key to understanding a fundamental part of a drum set, the floor tom. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding drummer, or just curious about English phrases, this video is tuned to your frequency. So, let's roll into the rhythm and explore the floor tom. A floor tom is a component of a drum kit. It is the largest of the tom-toms and sits on the floor on 3 or 4 legs. It produces a deep, resonant sound, which is lower pitched than other toms due to its larger size and looser tuning. In a standard 5-piece drum kit, the floor tom is an essential piece, adding depth and body to the music. The name, floor tom, comes from its position and function. It's a type of tom-tom drum that, unlike others that are mounted on stands or attached to the bass drum, stands on the floor. The tom part of the name is short for tom-tom, which is a term historically used to describe drums with 2 heads. The floor tom is used in various ways depending on the music genre. In rock, it's often used to create driving rhythms and is played in combination with bass and snare drums for powerful fills. In jazz, the floor tom might be used more subtly, woven into the flow of the improvisation. It's versatile and adds a dynamic layer to the musical texture. Understanding the pronunciation and context of the term is vital for learners. Floor is straightforward, just like the floor you walk on. Tom rhymes with palm. It's important to know that if you're talking about music, especially drums, and you mention a floor tom, people will understand you're referring to this specific drum. We hope this video strikes a chord with you in learning about the floor tom and adds another note to your expanding vocabulary of English language terms. Remember, every new term you learn helps build a stronger foundation in your language skills, much like the floor tom lays the base for a drum beat. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.